In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First, launch settings. Second, scroll that tiny bit and click on display section available here. Once you do that, you will see Motion Smoothness 1. Click on it and tap on one of those options, Adaptive or Standard. After deciding which one will be better for you, save your changes by hitting Apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!